Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss the reproduction in fungi. The fungi may reproduce vegetatively, asexually as well as sexually. First let us discuss about vegetative reproduction. Fragmentation. Some forms belonging to fragmentation, they multiply by breaking the mycelium sheet. The second one is budding. Some unicelled forms multiply by budding. A bud arises as papilla on the parent cell and then after its enlargement separates into completely independent entity. Fissions. A few unicelled forms like yeast or smile molds multiply by this process. Odia. In some mycelia forms, the thallus breaks into its component cell. Each cell then rounds up in the structure called odium. They may germinate immediately to form the new mycelium. Chlamydospores. Some fungi produce chlamydospores which are thick-walled cells. They are intercalary in position. These are capable of forming a new plant on approach of favorable condition. Reproduction of fungi through a sexual method. Sporangiospores. These are thin-walled and non-motile spores formed in a sporangium. They may be uni or multiciliated. On account of their structure, they are also called as aphlenospores. Zoospores. They are thin-walled motile spores formed in a zoosporangium. Example, Pilobulus, a sticky mass containing many spores is discharged as a single unit. Conidia. In some fungi, the spores are not formed inside a sporangium. They are borne freely on the tips of special branches called conidiospores. The spores those formed as called as conidia. On the basis of the development of two spores, conidia are recognized, namely thallospores and blastospores, or through conidia. Sexual reproduction in fungi. With the exceptions of fungal imperfecti, the sexual reproduction is formed in all groups of fungi. During sexual reproduction, the compactable nuclei shows a specific behavior which is responsible for one set of three distinct mycelia phases. The three phases of nuclear behaves are as under. First one is plasmogamy, fusion of two protoplasts. Second one is cryogamy, fusion of two nuclei. Third one is meiosis, the reduction cell division. These three events are responsible for arrival of the following three mycelial phases. The first one is halo phase. As a result of meiosis, the haploid or halo phase mycelium is formed. Second one is eukaryotic phase. The plasmogamy result in the formation of eukaryotic mycelium. The third one is diplophase. As a result of karyogamy, the diplophase mycelium is formed.